Meghalaya kala Rakhe ya National Sports Day hak arpukundai tarik nailar ha State Convention Center Shillong hakabalapan ku Burom Ngut ki Samla ki Duna Bormet ki balawanra nam ya Khuborjylla ya arpukundai tarik nailar kari India baru kawe ka Rakhe National Sports Day kalungkhu sngi kha jong uplur ya le kai hockey Major Dhayan Chand ubalakha hakasnam khat khandai spa san Hakani kasngi la penong ki program le Burom ki Samla kan thei bersenrang ki balak kentiu ya ki jinga le kai babonjat syaki kerdan bahajrong. Ketenat Sports and Youth Affairs kala penong ya ki jinga lang ha State Convention Center balawan longkong san do ba syakliar warjri menteri kani ketenat. Ha ka jingkren uba syakliar ula penpau ka jingkemen berjing sngau sarong. Ba Khuborjylla kala itu khmat ya ki sabat ki pong bakan sai jong ki Samla kan thei bersenrang ki badan jing Duna ha Khubor met persons with disabilities. Ulaong, kasorkar Meghalaya ka Ngut bahkan kenting yaki syaki kenjang bahajrong dai ki jingkershan yaki habaro kiliang. La nyau tang ru yaki bha jung ki Samla ya lekai shinrang bat kenthei ki balara yaki jinga lekai ba pher syaki kenjang bahakli ha ka Meghalaya Games bahan riu. Hau news nem kasorkar kala kershan jinga rap shi spotlight li Hinyo pun riu tuli ki sports organizations, but arpu Ngut kinong elekai.
Why am I saying that? Because as an elected representative, we all have to take an oath. And the day we were elected, we have taken an oath to serve to the best of our ability, to give our best for the people of our state, to serve the best in every manner. And till date, I am standing here trying to do my best because I've taken an oath. I take this very, very seriously. I would want all our athletes who have taken the pledge that it should not just be something that we've taken a pledge here and then we forget the moment we leave this venue. There's something that you take it in yourself as athletes, as sports lovers, that you take it in yourself, be dedicated, and make sure that whatever pledges that you've taken, that you try and fulfill all of that. So with that being said, just one note that in the past 2.5 years, I've met a lot of athletes from our state, from different parts of our state, be it from Garo Hills, Jantia Hills or the Khasi Hills. I've met many athletes. And most of the times we have certain programs in the capital of our state, in Shillong city, where our athletes have to travel all the way from, let's say, from Ranikor, from Motsunram, or from Tura, or from Joy and the rest of the state. So it's very difficult for them, and especially it's very difficult for our associations because they have to provide them with accommodation, they have to provide them with transportation. There's a lot of burden with our associations as well. So with that, keeping in mind where we've met so many associations, we've met so many athletes, all these problems that they're facing, I would like to, state here that recently we've had a meeting where we have decided that all of these problems, maybe not 100 out of 100, but maybe some part of it, we as a government can look into it. And we have decided that very soon we will be having the sports hostel, dedicated sports hostel for the athletes of our state in Polo SRGT at the amount of 100 crores, where we will be constructing the hostels for the athletes of our state. So from here onwards, maybe after that project is done, all the athletes traveling from different parts of our state, the associations would not have to take that burden of providing accommodation for them. Maybe it won't be acceptable, but we're trying, and just to ease that problem, we are coming up with this hostel for the athletes of our state. So that being said, there are so many things that we're doing in sports, and I believe in the next 2 to 3 years, there's a lot that we have to do. And before I conclude my speech, I would request each and every one of you to work hand in hand, all the associations to work hand in hand with the government, because at the end of the day, we all have the same vision, the same goal, that is to provide the best for our athletes. So with these few words, I...
that we invite Elishiba Kongwar and Gideon Tempun from Karatido. Representing Koko, we have Arki Nangsang Ame Nongsin and Phelan Mary Wang. From lawn tennis, may I invite Sanjeev Chetri and One Crowd Walang Nongbong. Jessica Thaba and Thay Bok Lang Marbanian from Muay Thai. Inviting the shooters, we have Latina I from shooting discipline and 1B Sumit. From softball, may I invite the captain B1 Kitbok Lang Siimli for the men's team and Jerida Kashandi for the women's team. Next we have Bun. In the para sports we also have in the blind football. A round of applause for my son Sun. We also have another gold medal in the 6-men IBFF non-zonal John Borlang Pingro. Step forward, Mr. John Borlang Pingro. Round of applause for John Borlang. We also have another footballer in the blind pool of football, Tony Will Kongtai, gold medal. We are so proud it brought more honor to our state. Congratulations, Tony Will. Moving on to athletics. Another athlete we have winning a silver in the first Northeast Para Sport meet in Guwahati. We have Angelique. And from athletics we also have, just to remind you all, Angelina, she's a silver medal in table tennis, and we move forward to